garden extremes. As we're closing in on winter, we're going to take a look at food forests to Frosty the Snowman. And right here in between, this is what it's going to take if you're going to grow a garden all season long. With a little pre-planting and protection, you can grow food all year round. And you know what today is? It's Saturday. And we go to you and we celebrate what's going on in your garden. But as winter is quickly approaching, most everybody has their gardens put to bed. But we have a couple contributors that are going to show us the extremes of gardening, from a tropical food forest to deep snow. Come on, let's take a look. Have you ever heard of such a thing as snow on Thanksgiving? Almost every year, right? But this is going to get pretty warm, so first day above freezing in a couple days. Let's go ahead and open this up. Well, it doesn't look like we've got any kind of germination yet. Well, it doesn't look like the beets or the turnips or the carrots have started to come up. But still, as cold as it's been, I wouldn't expect it. With the lettuce and the cabbage and the bok choy, they're doing great. I think I lucked out. Didn't punch a hole in the plastic. We're going to go ahead and tape these ends, make it nice and soft. This Gorilla Tape's pretty good stuff. If you're looking for something that's going to stick, that's all it takes, and we're buttoned up. And if you want to do a winter garden, just a little covering and uncovering. But then we go to Patrice. She woke to some snow, and just take a look at her garden. Just a few days before winter, this is why we do it. Because it tastes great. When you can grow your own food, even in a blanket of snow, it makes all the effort worth it. Hardest work you ever do in a food forest in Florida in December is harvest. They're picking avocados, they're planting, they've got a wonderful harvest coming in. And just think, in about 90 days, it's going to be spring. You can do this too. Aren't our contributors awesome? Please leave a comment down below and let everybody know just how much you appreciate them sharing what's going on in their late fall garden. I don't have any pineapples growing, but I do have a beautiful dandelion keeping the life in the soil happy. By the way, I actually wrote a book about the life in the soil and why all of this works. As Christmas is approaching, if you wanted to pick up a copy, it wouldn't hurt my feelings. Now, our carrots are doing okay. I am going to go ahead and cover those with some heavy leaf mulch. They'll continue to grow right on through the winter. We'll be able to have carrots for Christmas dinner. You can do this too. I've dedicated Saturday for the last 6 years to you and what's going on in your garden. This is where we get ideas, this is where we get inspiration, and this is where I get the motivation to come out here week after week and show you just exactly what's possible in a deep mixed mulch garden. I got a bunch more leaves to rake up, and while I do that, let me offer you this. Join us. We're just a loose-knit community of people that like to get our hands dirty and grow things that taste good. And there is no obligation, doesn't cost anything. You just send in a picture now and again, help motivate others, show them exactly what's possible in a garden. We do this because it tastes great. You can do this too. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.